Hey y'all, and welcome back to another episode of Chet Does DIY. So unfortunately, I did not fix the rattle situation in my 2015 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. I thought that I had when I replaced the broken plastic guide arm for the timing chain, and after I drove it for about 20-30 minutes, I didn't hear any rattle during deceleration, like I explained on previous videos. But then I drove it the next day, and I started hearing rattling noise. Again, only during deceleration, along with a strong fuel smell during ignition. So I went back and said, let me pull off the valve covers. And instead of pulling off the front of the motor and checking to see if that plastic guide arm had broken yet again, because I didn't want to pull off the front of the motor again, because that was a lot. So I pulled off the valve cover, and this is what I found. And I can't find any information about this, but this one arm does this number. None of the other ones do that. They're all good and tight. And there's no way to tighten these up, whereas usually there will be a nut right here. This rail and these pieces are usually separate on other models. There's no way to tighten this up that I can find. I can't find any way to tighten this up. There is this little hole right here, and I tried to stick, Allen wrench up in there, tiny Phillips head, tiny flat head. Nothing will go up in there. I don't believe that this is supposed to be like this. And if I rattle it fast enough, I mean, that's nowhere near as fast as the rattle actually is, but that sounds like that could be the problem. Like, it's not seating correctly right there, but I don't know how to tighten that. I've checked all these and they're all good and tight. I don't see any way to fix this. If you have any information, I'd love to know how to fix this. But my brother pointed out that there are wear marks here on these rails. Wear mark there, wear mark there, wear mark there, and so on. And he got in and he cranked it up. And this lifter, it did work. It was not stuck. So I don't know if this is my problem or not. I'm just beside myself with questions and frustration. If you have any information on how to fix that, I would love to know, because I got a feeling that if I keep on ignoring it, it's going to be detrimental to the vehicle itself. I'm going to pull off the catalytic converter and shake it around and see if there's any, anything rattling around up in there. But I don't really know what to do at this point, y'all. Help me out if you can. I really appreciate it. Thank you.